You're looking at a live picture of the NASDAQ market site in Times Square here in the heart of New York City as we're getting ready for business. Today is Thursday, October 24th, and I'm John Marino with your Global Markets Report. Getting right to the news this morning. Overseas markets are mixed, and here in the U.S. futures are looking bright with the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ each looking to open up in the black before the opening bell. Southwest Airlines, 3M, and Dunkin' Brands will all report earnings. Let's get all the overseas action now from the Deal's Jonathan Browdy in London. Jonathan?
Yeah, well, the European markets were all up this morning, largely on news of better Chinese manufacturing figures, which seems to have buoyed confidence here. There have been some local economic news which wasn't so great, especially the confidence, the Purchasing Managers Index came out with some details that suggested that Germany, as well as France and Italy, have been doing less well, or will be doing less well than they have been. But otherwise, good news all round. Celesio's takeover by the US healthcare business McKesson, $23 a share, has obviously boosted the German market a little bit too. The FTSE in London up at 0.4% at 6,700. Germany's DAX up quite a strong 0.6% at 8,974. And the good news in Germany also, Commerzbank, which is one of their big lenders, was up over 3.4% at one point this morning at nearly 10 euros a share. In Asia, the Nikkei is closed up at 14,486, but in Hong Kong, the Hang Seng Index was down 0.7%, in part because before the good Chinese figures came out that have buoyed Europe and ultimately buoyed even Japan, in part there were fears about Chinese liquidity this morning and suggestions that the Chinese would crack down a bit on lending because of the housing boom that they're having trouble keeping under control there. That's it from the world this morning. Over to you, John.
Thanks very much, Jonathan. Right now, we're looking at shares of Microsoft. Wall Street is forecasting for earnings of 54 cents a share for the company. That's a penny above what the company earned a year ago. So far this year, the stock is up about 26%. And Amazon shares looking down this morning. Estimates are coming in at losses of 9 cents a share for the leading online retailer. This time last year, the company reported a loss of 23 cents a share. We've also got Ford set to release its earnings this morning before the bell. Expected to report earnings of 30 cents a share, slightly down from the 40 cents a share that it earned over the same period last year. And also watch shares of Zynga. The company is expected to post a loss of 5 cents a share. I'm sorry, this time last year, Zynga broke even. I'm John Marino at the NASDAQ market site in New York. Join us again tomorrow morning and throughout the day online at thestreet.com. Have a great day.